How's it going, guys? Back with another video. Today we have the ZAGG Invisible Shield Screen Protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is a clear print, smudge free, maximum scratch protection, edge to edge, 5G compatible screen protector. So now let's get it unboxed and put it on the iPhone. Here is the phone holder for aligning the screen protector. Here we have our instructions. Here is the screen protector. You can see the tabs at the top and bottom for aligning to the holder. Here's the dust removal sticker. Here's the cleaning wipe. And here's the cleaning cloth. You can see here at the top of the iPhone is a small indentation for the speaker. You want to make sure to match that with the indentation here on the screen protector. Now first we'll clean the iPhone with the wet wipe. Now we'll wipe it with the cloth. Now we'll use the dust removal sticker to clean up any excess dust. Now we'll place the phone in the holder. You can see on the top and the bottom are the alignment stubs for the screen protector to go in. There's an extra wide cutout here for where the camera will sit. You can see the holes here and the two tabs on the screen protector that will align with the stubs on the holder. Remember to align the indentation at the top to the indentation at the top of the iPhone. The tab to remove the adhesive sticker is on the bottom. Now we'll remove tab 1 and align that side facing the iPhone. We'll align the holes on the screen protector to the stubs on the holder. Now that it's aligned, just press your finger in the middle and you can see the screen protector adhering to the iPhone. This is how the screen protector tab should look over the holder stubs. Now we can remove the top layer. Now if you look here, you can see these little air bubbles in the middle. There's no need to worry, these will come right out. Just use a screen protector squeegee and work the air bubbles towards the edge and they will come right out. Now that all the air bubbles are out, you're all finished. Just check your edges to double check everything is aligned. You can see how that cutout is aligned at the top here. The touch sensitivity is great. This is an awesome screen protector for the iPhone. It's easy to put on and it looks and feels great.